G'day folks, Adam from Ruslan Foundry here with a new product release. We have our tiny guards van, or estate railway guards van. That might be a better name for it. Okay, it is a one-piece FDM printed body. We have sliding opening doors. We have our running boards attached to our axle boxes and removable roof. So roof attaches via magnets. We have a separate seat and two-piece brake stand. Our rear window is set up for glazing. There are slots made into the body for a piece of 0.4 clear styrene, and then when you put the roof magnet in on top, it's held in, giving a very nice effect. There's the other end. We have our opening door, which has got a magnet for holding open and magnet for holding shut, which you've got to fight sometimes. So it will happily run with the doors open. The door handles are Tallylin railway coach door grab handles from Model Earth Designs. I'll put the part number up, and our lamp brackets are also a Model Earth design. I'll also stick up the part number. Our axle boxes on this one are actually paired with the running board between. So our kit contains roof, body, doors, internal seat, brake stand components, running board, axle box units, and couplers of your choice. This one is actually running. I've just redesigned these, our LGB compatible version. So as long as you're running around a 30mm wheel, that should be the right height to interface with LGB rolling stock. These are available on our Facebook page and Etsy page, or shoot us a message if you wanted something specific done. The figure is not included. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.